Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to disable Wi-Fi scanning on your phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is head over to your phone settings. I'm going to click on settings. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to location. Click on that. And the next thing you need to do is to click on location services. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on Wi-Fi scanning. And the next thing you need to do is to click on location services. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on Wi-Fi scanning. Then from the point here, turn off this toggle button. It's as simple as that. So with that, you have turn off and disable Wi-Fi scanning and you save the battery life of your Android phone. As simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.